I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update both devices and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so data can flow. Once done, place the Apple Watch next to your iPhone within arm's reach. Pairing won't work at a distance. Open the Watch app on the iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Hold the iPhone camera over the animated pairing pattern on the watch face. The app recognizes it automatically. This step establishes the secure link and prepares both devices to sync settings and faces. Next, authorize the connection and choose how to set up the watch. If you have a backup, restore it to bring over faces, apps, and settings, otherwise set up as new. Sign in with your Apple ID so Health and iCloud sync work properly, and enable location, Siri, and diagnostics when prompted to ensure continuity. Make deliberate choices about which watch faces and complications to sync. This is where your iPhone decides which faces appear and how data populates them. To finish, let the devices complete the full sync. You'll see a progress screen on the watch and a confirmation on the iPhone when done. Test by swiping through watch faces and opening apps to confirm complications update from the iPhone in real time. If something goes wrong, first restart both devices, ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active, and retry pairing. If issues persist, unpair in the Watch app and start over to clear corrupt settings and force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.